Want to stay on top of your favorite stocks, sectors, or strategies? The Watchlist on the Riise app helps you organize and track everything in one place effortlessly. Start by heading to the Watchlist tab from the bottom navigation bar. To get started, tap on Plus Add, give it a name, and you're good to go. You can create multiple lists to track your personal picks or explore ready-made watch lists like index options or Nifty Bank to save time. To add a stock, tap the three-dot menu beside any watch list and select Add Script. Search for the stock name or explore from categories like stocks, SIPs, IPOs, and mutual funds. Want a quick performance overview? Toggle on Heat Map View where stocks show up green for gains and red for losses, so you spot trends at a glance. You can also sort your watch list alphabetically by percent change, LTP, or volume. Swipe left to buy or right to sell directly from the list. Tap Manage Watch List to reorder stocks or delete them in bulk. And if you're into F&O trading, switch to the Option List tab. Here, you can filter by expiry, select call or put, and even see advanced data like OI, high-low, and charts, all with a toggle at the top right corner. Whether you're a long-term investor or an active trader, the Riise Watchlist helps you act faster, smarter, and more organized. Download Riise, your all-in-one wealth app, and take control of your market moves.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.